Best riding lawnmowers. What to consider when purchasing a lawn tractor.
Like any major purchase, there are several key factors you need to consider when setting out to purchase a lawn tractor. The key factors are important criteria you can use to determine which tractor you will purchase. Tractor deck size, engine output, hour meter, fuel checking, comfort, cruise control. We have found the most popular and top-rated riding lawnmowers. Cadet XT1LT42, one of the most popular brands of tractors on the market. Troy built 382 cc's OHV. His little mower is on the lower end of the pricing scale for lawn tractors.
Husqvarna ETA 24V48. This tractor has a 2-cylinder Intech engine that outputs 24 horsepower. It has a hydrostatic transmission that is operated by pedal, which makes it extremely easy to use. Poulan Pro PB20VA46. Poulan Pro has nearly 70 years of success in the lawn tractor business, and their new model, the PB20VA46, shows just why they've been so successful. For more details, please follow the link below.